Today, we're diving into the features of the HOTO Electric Spin Scrubber, a versatile cleaning tool designed to make your household chores a breeze. With its IPX7 full-body waterproof design, this scrubber is perfect for tackling bathroom, shower, floor, and tile cleaning without any worries. The powerful motor delivers 2.5 Nm of torque and offers dual-speed options, 220 RPM for daily cleaning and 300 RPM for deep cleaning, ensuring efficient results every time. Equipped with 6 interchangeable brush heads and an easy buckle design, this scrubber adapts to various cleaning tasks, from removing water deposits to tackling tile grout. The telescoping extension pole adjusts from 37 to 51 inches, allowing you to reach even the most challenging spots without bending or kneeling. Plus, its long-lasting lithium battery provides up to 110 minutes of cleaning on a full charge, so you can power through your tasks with confidence. Whether it's for a special occasion or just to make cleaning easier, the HOTO Electric Spin Scrubber is a thoughtful gift that combines convenience and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.